Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting fresh bait and rigging it correctly so you get immediate action. Thread a shiner through the dorsal or lips for natural swim. Once done, attach a slip sinker or bobber at the depth where bass are holding. Make sure to use a leader, and knot that won't tear the bait. Cast near structure or along drop-offs with a smooth underhand motion and watch your line. A subtle twitch often triggers a strike when fish are wary. Once your bait is in the water, you must present it convincingly to trigger follows and strikes. Let the bait swim freely for 10 to 20 seconds, then reel 2 to 3 smooth turns. Vary pause length to imitate a fleeing or wounded fish. Make sure to hug structure. Cast along weed lines, timber, docks, or points where bass ambush. If you don't get bites, adjust depth by sliding the sinker or moving the bobber, and change bait size to match local forage. When you see the line tighten or the bobber vanish, don't yank immediately, you want to feel weight. Give one firm sweep of the rod when you sense resistance, then keep steady pressure to avoid pulling the hook free. Once the fish runs, lower the rod tip to absorb shocks and reel when safe. If baits keep getting torn or you get short strikes, change hook placement, use a smaller, sharper hook, or swap to fresher bait. This usually fixes the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.